How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is an early morning here out in the garage and we have got the Golf outside. Miata's inside, obviously. We had to make some room because we're getting a special delivery today. So judging by the title, you guys will know I'm getting a Blackbird Fabworx GT3 roll bar, which is the full setup, lose the soft top. So by losing the soft top, which it means we're probably gonna have to start looking for a hard top, which is kind of what I wanted. My top is like really pretty nasty. I don't know if you guys have ever really noticed in any of the videos, but both sides where it creases to fold down, totally ripped, and it's the vinyl top, so there's not like a super easy way to repair it. I've tried to repair it multiple times, and it's just getting worse. So I've either needed a new soft top or I wanna look for a hard top, and I've always kind of had a vision of having a hard top with a rear carpet in the back and having a nice roll bar back there just to give a little bit more room, kind of make it look a little bit more sporty. So this clip is like 20 minutes after the last clip I made because the guys just pulled up, and I'm gonna try to show this to you. So with the Blackbird Fabworx stuff, they take a lot of pride in their design. I'm sure you guys have heard it before. The mounting points are not secret, but I think it's like kind of proprietary stuff. So I'm gonna do my best to show this without showing all the mounting points and the feet of the roll bar. But here is the roll bar that I just got. So this right here is the GT3 roll bar. It has these awesome crossbars with gusseting braces. It's really nice. And obviously Blackbird Fabworx. So this is super cool. I'm gonna take some faraway pictures, but I'm gonna blur out the bottom of it just so you guys are aware. Here it is, super nice design. And it's got all of the bars to make it legal for SCCA. This is just different from the hard dog roll bar. It's a little bit more extreme, and it's gonna fill out the back of our NC so nicely. It's gonna look so cool. Provide a stiffening effect. The guys who dropped it off to me, they have a race car NC, and they said that it's worked great. It really stiffens up the rear body, so really looking forward to that. But yeah, just imagine nice big roll bar in there, and then at some point we're gonna do a hard top. I drive with the top down literally all the time. If the car's outside, the top is down, so I really don't care that I lose the soft top. It's really whatever. So I do wish that I was installing this in this video, but on March 22nd, I have a Track Night in America event, which requires the roof being up or the top being up because of rocks and debris out on the track. So I have to wait because I don't want to skip out on that. I want to still do it. So after March 22nd, we are going to get this installed. So stay tuned for that. But otherwise, I'm super excited that I finally have a roll bar and a proper, nice roll bar to throw in the NC Miata. The car is going to have some awesome things done to it in 2022. I think I mentioned the roll bar in the 2022 plans, so we are just off to the races, and I'm super excited. I hope you guys are excited too. As far as the install goes, like I said, there's some weird little nuances with what they want shown on the internet and what they don't want, so I'm gonna do my best to respect that and blur out things where I need to blur them out. So it'll be a little challenging to do the install video. Of course, nothing's a how-to on my channel. Most things aren't a how-to, it's just how I do them. So I don't think you guys will be missing out on too much as far as the roll bar install goes. But thanks for sticking around. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you're excited. Stay tuned for GTI stuff, Miata stuff. Also, thank you to the guys. I know that you've watched some of my videos, so huge thank you to them. And yeah, so stay tuned. Go down below, hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below. I'll see you in the next one.